Hey, today we are gonna try some Tung Fong style scallion and soy sauce steamed fish recipe. So this Tung Fong is a restaurant in KK that is one of my favorite places to go, and today I'm gonna try to recreate their steamed fish recipe. So they use garupa or red snapper or whatever, but this is the fillet that I have. So first you cut some ginger and then you slice the fish into bite size before steaming, and the ginger goes on top of the fish. Once that is ready, you can either put it aside first, then start to chop some garlic. So this is in preparation of the sauce that we're gonna make. I'll cut the garlic into small chunks and then cut some scallion, but we also want to slice the scallion into thinner strips than they normally are. The next, chili padi. This is very important to give the dish some kicks. So cut all of them, and then it's time to steam the fish. I usually steam this in about 8 minutes or so, high heat. Then you heat up some oil and start frying the garlic first. Only for a short bit, then you add in the other things as well, the chili padi and the scallion. So this is the sauce that goes on top of the fish, and the seasoning, while I don't know what the restaurant use, I'm trying to create it on my own. First I add a bit of either water or soup stock. To be fair, over here I added a little bit too much, so I have to end up heating it a bit longer to try to reduce it. And the seasoning, I put soya sauce, dark soya sauce, about a teaspoon of sugar, and also pepper, and last but not least, the all important 1 cup of xiao xing jiu, which is the Chinese rice wine. So stir a bit as you go, taste a bit if you are not sure if it is to your taste or not. Then once the fish is done, take it out. So over here you can either just remove the water from the plate that you steam the fish with, or in my case I just transfer it to another serving plate instead. Then you just pour the sauce that we prepared on top, and here you go. That's essentially the dish. And the dish turns out actually quite nice. I think it will be about maybe 80% similar to what Tung Fong style is. Try to perfect it a little bit more next time and see how we end up. Enjoy!